so great to finally meet you.
Yes, and you too, and I'm so excited to be doing your play.
I'm excited too.
One of the things I love about your play is that it's set in 18th century China, but it really also talks about today. So can you just talk a little bit about how you chose that time period?
Absolutely, absolutely. So when I first started this adaptation, and it's based on Hans Christian Andersen's story, I want to choose a period of Chinese history that really appeals to me, that grabs me. And so I look back, and I chose 18th century because I'm familiar with Emperor Qianlong. You know, he was young, he was spoiled, he was ruthless, he was all the bad things that did not seem to add up to being a great emperor, but he did. So I wanted to tell his story. I think what is interesting for me to write this is how it reflects current conditions. I wrote this play in 2015, 2016, which is the run-up to the elections, our previous elections. And I thought what a wonderful opportunity it would be to write a play about leadership. What does it mean to become a leader? What does it mean to become an emperor when you have all these people around you, underneath you in a way, that you have to kind of exercise your wisdom over? What kind of leader must that be? So that was what motivated me to create this.